Hi, hello, namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman from Krishna Pulse, Hyderabad. Welcome to our live session. We are since 1983. Our Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Mukundlal Agarwal ji, established this company in 1983 with a great vision of customer satisfaction, and our MD, Mr. Umesh Kumar Agarwal ji, developed this in a peak stage from the last 38 years. He is a great inspirational to us. We have multiple branches. One is in our old city near Pathargatti, near Charminar, that is called as the Monument of Hyderabad. There you will get the plenty of collections of pearls in very reasonable price. Next is one of the exclusive store in Hotel Taj Krishna. There you will get with good collections of NRS and foreign related products. After entering into the Taj Krishna branch, you will get a 5-star rated designation. Then one of the great and good store is available in HSCC Convention Center, Hightex International Convention Center, that is famous for its record breaker of its own sales at the time of international conferences. And one of the beautiful and great big store, all of you know that is in Jubilee Hills near Metro Station Road number 36. There above 5,000 square feet, our jewelry is spreaded in 2 floors. In the ground floor, you will get a very finest collections of diamonds and plain gold items and polki related designs, so much. And in the second floor, you will get a good collections of pearls and silver related designs. And recently, last year, we are launched a silver house. In that, you will get a plenty of good articles, silver related based articles. You will get a good response from that. Today, we will see a good collections of 6 pearl offsets which is based with silver and gold polish. Let us see each one. The first one is simple set with flat pearls with milky white and color stones in between. This is with complete set. See, this is one. And next, second one is beautiful brooch set with dark blue color, 3 rows. There you will get 5 rows, milky white color. And next is one of the beautiful piece. It looks very beautiful. Different color stones we are here. Sky blue color here. 4 brooches we are introduced here with the earrings also. Next is one simple functional set which is very beautiful with orange color stones, and 2 brooches are available with complete earrings. This is also with brooch set. Next is one more brooch set with single brooch with green color stones and sea jets with the earring space. Very beautiful. Here we are added the silver pipes with gold polish also. Next is one more beautiful choker set. This is also with silver base with red color stones and sea jets with drop shape pearls with the earring. Earrings also very big with drop shape. Very beautiful. See. And our store is in Jubilee Hills Road number 36, opposite Beyond Coffee Shop near Metro Station. Now our timings are, we are working full time, morning 10:30 a.m. to night 8:30 p.m. And we have free shipping all over India. If it is in Hyderabad, our person will come personally and give the deliveries. We have international shipping also free, but some conditions are there. Please WhatsApp your number, then we will give the related values of that. Next, our WhatsApp number is already present in the Instagram and Facebook, but once again I am telling 9248036721. If you want to see more designs, visit our website www.krishnapulse.com. For seeing our live sessions and videos of the new products, new launched products, follow our Instagram and Facebook. Let us see each one very closely. See, this is first one I will show you closely. Very beautiful. Inside is nylon silk thread. Back side is silver clip, silver fancy clip. No gold in this. Complete with silver base on that gold polish. 22 carats gold plating will be available. See the luster of the shining of the pearls. For cast cutting, we are used the flat pearls, but see the luster is very good and finest luster. See the pendant. Pendant is the ultimate highlight. Very beautiful designer piece. This is 3 flavors, and we are provided a red color stone. Not ruby, these are color stones with cubic zircon. See how beautiful is this. See the glitters of the pearls. Very beautiful piece. Here also we are used the red color beads These are cut beads. Generally beads means uncut will be available, but these are cut beads. That's why glitters are coming. And here you used flat pearls, and here we are used the drop shape pearls, rice shape pearls. That's why some new look is coming. One thing. This is for ladies only, not unisex, but very beautiful gifting set. See the shiny. You can see the glitters. Very beautiful piece. This is awesome piece. And for this we have earrings also. These are hanging, little bit hanging. Hanging looks very nice with the here simple drop is also there. See that this is complete set. One second, I will show you the earrings also. See, this is with silver, but our designers not compromised our workers. Very beautiful. They use two flavors, CJets, red color stone, and here also baguettes type CJets we are used. And on that we are given the green enamel. Here also drop also with CJet. Very beautiful set. And this, I think this price is also very reasonable. This is just 4,500. This is very reasonable price. In 4,500 you will get a very good set, a beautiful set. Next, second we will see the brooch set. This is one of the brooch. Now brooch has become the fashion nowadays to all customers. In the back side we are used the 3 rows, and downwards we are used 5 rows, because the pendant is like this, the brooch is like this. Upside is little small, here is bigger one. That's why we are used 3 here, we are used 5 here. Here inside we have dark blue color. This is not black, dark blue color. Once closely you will see. And inside is nylon silk thread. See the luster of the pearls. Inside is nylon silk thread. We use 2-3 rows, very strong thread we will use. And back side is dory we are provided, so it is useful for both ladies and gents. For gents also on sherwanis and dhoti functions, it is very useful. See the luster, the shining, the glitters of the pearls. That's why our Krishna pearls is very famous. We select very finest quality pearls. Our designers not compromise in anywhere. See the CJets are also equivalent to the Swarovski. You can see the glitters. See here 5 rows we are provided. This is not flat ones or not round ones, almost round this one. That's why it is looking more beautiful. Generally we use flat ones, but here is almost 90% round pearls we are using. Very beautiful. Especially Hyderabad is famous for pearls, all of you know. If you want only pearls related ornaments, then our Krishna pearls is very famous in that. See. Newly the blue color stone is also very beautiful, because dark blue we are using, and that also that is cuts are there. Side of CJets it is looking like diamond glitters. Beautiful set. I will wear and show you once. See, beautiful. This is compared to ladies, gents also looks, it is very beautiful on sherwanis functions. Beautiful glitters will come. And these are all natural freshwater pearls. We provide the earrings. See the earrings also. I will show both. See, here we are provide the studs. Beautiful studs. Cut blue color stone. The grip of 3 grips we are given this. And CJets. Beautiful. And this price is also very reasonable. This much big set you are getting for 15,500 only. And not only this is the final price, just WhatsApp to our number, share your number, then you will get the very best deal also. Namaste Saujanya Madam Garandi, thank you for coming our online session. This is 15,500 ma'am. Please share your number to our WhatsApp number, then you will get a very good price. We will give very best discount ma'am, best deal also. If you want related designs also, our team will show you ma'am. Next you can see one of the beautiful newly came set with 4 brooches. Generally we will see single or double brooches, but here is 4 brooches are there, and this is not gold polish one, with silver only, silver with rhodium finish. We are given the rhodium finish, and CJets also looking like diamond. This is looking like a complete diamond set with white gold. See, long set, back side we are used milky white pulse, freshwater pulse with 4 rows. Downwards also we are used 4 rows because brooch is equal in all sides. Just we are newly added these 2 more brooches. General 2 brooches will present, but 2 more brooches we are present. That's why it is looking so grand. And this is
Shreya madam is asking, show emerald line string.
Namaste Shreya madam Garandi. Thank you for coming our online session. In this session we are showing only pulse sets ma'am. Just share your number to our WhatsApp number, then our team will show you the emerald. We have plenty of collections in emerald, they will show. See ma'am, inside is nylon silk thread. See the beauty glitters. Backside we are provided the dory, so it is useful for both unisex ladies and gents. Very beautiful for functions. And these are all in very reasonable prices. Just I will wear and show you once. See, for gents also it is looking very nice. Both can wear.
Saveri madam is asking, this is silver?
Yes ma'am, thank you ma'am for coming our online session. Saveri madam, namaste ji. This is with pure silver ma'am, pure sterling silver. And that we are provide the gold polish on some sets. This is with rhodium finish on this. See closely. Please share your number ma'am to our WhatsApp number, then you will get the best price also and related designs also. You will get a special discount also ma'am. See the ma'am, see the brooches, how beautiful. This is a new color stones. This is color sky blue color or something different color stone. You can closely see the glitters, and stone is also very different looking. I am also seeing first time. See the glitters. Inside is nylon silk thread ma'am. 2-3 rows we will use. Very strong thread. And in this you will get different colors also ma'am. Red, blue, green, different sets we have. But same piece is only available one set only. If you want same set, please immediate book your slot ma'am. If you want related designs, you will get plenty of collections we have. If you want to place the order for the same set, it will take 15 to 20 days ma'am. So hurry up for this if you want the same, if you like the same set. It's very beautiful set. For this also we are provided the earrings. See, we are provided the studs. Now studs is going very fashion. Wow, okay. See, big studs. Now big studs are going fashion on all ages of ladies. Now big studs are also called as, given the name, some people given the name as Mahanati, Savitri studs, because in the film she wear this type of studs, big studs. So from there onwards all are asking. So beautiful. Okay. Back side you have, ma'am. This is with the silver, pure silver with rhodium finish. Sterling silver, ma'am, not German silver. See once. ఒక సెకండ్. Close. See once again closely. This is exactly matching with the brooches. Earrings and brooch looks like the same size. Because we have provided the backside dory, so
Harika
it is.
madam is asking what stone they are.
Namaste Harika madam garandi, thank you for coming our online session. This is one of the semi precious stone, ma'am, no specific name for this. This is, we call as a color stone only, not real stone, but looking very different, very new type, new color in this.
Price also.
I will tell the price, ma'am. I think this is also very reasonable price. This is just 16,500, ma'am, very reasonable price. 16,500. Please share your number, ma'am, to our WhatsApp number. Then we will give the very, very special price, ma'am, especially for you. And next, we will give the best price. We'll take the discount. Next, we will see, ma'am, very, very beautiful set. This is complete functional because in this gold polish is highlighting more CJs and gold. So in the night parties, dinners, it looks very beautiful. See. Backside we are provided 3 rows and downwards we are provided 5 rows. This is also inside nylon silk thread, 2-3 rows we use, very strong thread. Backside we are provided the dory, so it is also useful for both ladies and gents. See how beautiful, see the luster. Here used to do around medium color pearls, shining, we use very good shining pearls, ma'am, on all sets good shining pearls. See the brooches closely, very beautiful. See the glitters. In this we are used the just like orange color stones with the balls of CJs and silver. We used purely silver, ma'am, 22 carat, purely sterling silver. With CJs are also equivalent to Swarovski. We use very fine quality cubic zircons here. Today what I am showing all are in silver only, ma'am, no gold, silver for gifting sets. All are complete sets with the earring combination also I am showing, not single chains. Once again see close.
Aruna madam is asking, sir, I want that.
Namaste Aruna madam garandi, thank you for booking this one. Please share your number, ma'am, to our WhatsApp. This is around 16,500, ma'am. Then we will give the very best deal also, ma'am, in this. Very beautiful. Share your number, ma'am. We will call and we will ask your address, ma'am. We will courier it. And see once again, this is also both useful for both ladies and gents. 16,500 is the price. Useful for both ladies and gents. This is Aruna madam already booked this one. So this we will keep for her only.
Madam has shared number. Shared number.
Share your number, ma'am. Already shared. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Our team will call you, ma'am, immediately. This I will keep for you only, ma'am. See the earrings also once. Studs we are provided. Beautiful studs. Beautiful set. So this set is belongs to Aruna madam. Next we will see one more beautiful sets. This is with single brooch. One side is single brooch. One side we are using the green stones. See this one also. See this is very, very beautiful set. See closely. 5 rows we are used here. Inside is nylon silk thread. Back side is dory wire provided. So this is also useful for both ladies and gents. This is also studded in silver.
And in glitter customers, madam is asking, do you have lockets?
Lockets. Aruna madam.
Annunculator.
And namaste Annunculator madam. Thank you for coming watching our online session. Lockets. We have separate lockets, ma'am. Please share your number to our WhatsApp number, ma'am. Then our person will show you the pendants, related pendants and their prices and the designs also, ma'am. Today just I am showing the total sets only, ma'am. Silver based sets. See the glitters. The brooch is very, very beautiful, ma'am. Just like it is looking like emerald and diamond brooch. But this is green color stones, onyx stones and CJs, cubic zircons, not diamonds, but glitters are coming like that. And one side we are using the green beads, and the beads also we are given the cut green stone, so it is glittering so much. Total milky white pearls, very good luster, very beautiful piece, ma'am. And in the end also one side we are given different design. This design is designed by our expert patwas. They are provided newly with silver pipes on that CJs. Generally in the downwards or front side it is present, but sideways they are provided the CJs. Very different project. Very expert patwas are present here, ma'am. If you want any changes, they will do in front of you. See once. Very beautiful. They are provided the CJs. The CJs are also highlighted. First time they are introduced here in the downward side ones. This completely look like diamond set only. Very beautiful sets and in very reasonable prices also. And this is also useful for both. See how beautiful is this single brooch. I liked it so much. It's very beautiful set. Green color. One second. You can see the earrings also. Studs we are provided with green color and CJs. Very beautiful. See, same brooch and earrings are exact same but small size. Very beautiful one. Inside is nylon silk thread we are provided. 2-3 rows, very strong one. Back side is dory. If you want any changes in this, our patwas will present, ma'am. In front of you only, they will do within 15-20 minutes. They will change. If you want red color stones or if you want 3 rows only. If you want any changes, they will do in front of you only. See what I am telling you here. They are newly provided this one. Previously you also not seen. We also not seen this one. On the side they are provided that this is a silver pipes, ma'am. We call it gold polish on that with cubic zircons inside is. Very beautiful. Due to that it giving more glitters. This is also useful for both ladies and gents. And I think earrings you already seen. Once again I am showing. Beautiful. See the glitters, and that green color stone is very glittering, ma'am. Cut stone. This is an awesome piece. Very beautiful piece. And lastly we will see a good choker. A beautiful choker. See closely, ma'am. Red color stones, cut stones we are using, and CJs and drop shape pearls, and back side is flat pearls with milky white. And sides also we are provided 2 brooch like simple brooches with CJs. In this the pendant is highlighting, ma'am. This is choker. After wearing a long brooch set on the choker, this looks nice, very nice. In this you will get different colors: blue, red, green, other small pendant, big pendant also. If you want 3 rows or more rows. See once closely, see. This is also very reasonable price, from just 10,500 only, and we will give very best discount also on this. Please share your numbers, ma'am, everyone, immediately. Then our team will respond immediately, ma'am, and they will give very, very best deal. See the pendant, ma'am. Completely it looks like ruby and diamond pendant, big pendant. Back side we are provided the dory, due to that it is easy, whatever your neck size, based on that you can adjust the brooch, you can adjust the choker, you can adjust. And downwards we are provide the ruby and pearl drops, very beautiful, that's why its falling is looking very beautiful. Inside is nylon silk thread, 2-3 rows. See the glitters. These are all sets provided in our manufacturing unit only. This is 10,500 only, very very reasonable price, and that is also not final price. We will give very best deal. ఇట్లా For this I will show the earrings also. 1 minute. See. Here we are provided the drop shape earrings, stud plus hanging. So it looks more beautiful. Red color stones, seajades, silver base with gold polish and drop shape pearls. These all sets are looking like gold sets only. And we are not provide only polish, ma'am, we are provide the plating, 22 carats gold plating we will provide on these sets. So it will stay not easily gone. Very beautiful. 10,500 you will get very very good set. And I think this price I was not told this one. This is 17,500. The beautiful green set is 17,500. Please share your numbers, then our team will approach you, ma'am. They will give very very best discounts on this. Today is Sunday special, we will give very very best deal. Compared to other days we will give more discounts on this. And if you want to visit our stores, already I told you in the starting, once again I am telling, Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills Road number 36. Our store is opposite Beyond Coffee Shop, ma'am, near metro station. After metro station ending only our store will present. We have free shipping all over India, international also free shipping, but some conditions are there. Please share your number, then we will tell the conditions. If you are in Hyderabad, our person will come personally and deliver the products. Our WhatsApp number is 9248036721. Please share your numbers, ma'am. Our team will immediately respond you. They will give whatever you want. They will show whatever you want. And if you want to see more designs, pearl related designs, www.krishnapulse.com. Or if you want to show daily our live sessions and new videos, new products, please follow our Instagram and Facebook. Once again see the view, ma'am. I showed 6 sets, all are in silver base only, no gold in this. Silver with gold polish. This one is silver with rhodium finish. This already Aruna madam booked this one. Next with green, very beautiful set, and one is choker set I was shown. Beautiful choker set. In red color, if you want green or blue, small pendant, plenty of collections you will available. Please visit our store, ma'am. If you like anything, if you want more designs, if you want to customize, these are all made our workers only, so it is very easy to customize these products. If you want 3 rows, not 5 rows, any changes is possible in front of you only. We are not take much time, maximum 15 to 30 minutes only, because they are called as Patwas made this one. They are present here only, in front of you only, they will make the designs. So, thank you for giving this opportunity. Signing out, Suman. Bye bye.